Okay, so today we're gonna um, try something a little different.
Okay.
You know how we love to take these deep dives and
Yeah.
really like get into the weeds of different topics?
Absolutely.
But this one comes to us from you, our listener,
Oh, cool.
and it has a little bit more of a playful tone to it.
Okay.
So um, you sent us some information about Forex-themed pickup lines.
Oh, wow.
And so I'm a little skeptical.
Okay.
I'm very curious about it.
Right.
But can cheesy pickup lines actually help us understand Forex trading?
Well, I mean, there's definitely this interesting intersection between,
Yeah.
finance and humor, right?
Yeah.
So we've got a really interesting combination here to play with.
Yeah, so what the lines that you sent was, are you a candlestick pattern?
Mm-hmm.
Because you're giving me all the right signals.
All right.
Now, I get the right signals part in a romantic sense.
Yeah.
But candlestick patterns in Forex trading,
Right.
what is that all about?
So candlestick patterns are a visual representation of price movements
Right.
over a specific time frame.
Okay.
So imagine like you're looking at a chart.
Right.
But instead of just seeing, lines going up and down, you see these little candlesticks.
Oh, okay.
And those candlesticks each tell a little story about what the price did over, let's say a day or an hour or whatever time frame you're looking at.
So it's like a little snapshot of what the price did.
Exactly.
Instead of just like one point on a line graph.
Exactly. You get like the whole range of motion.
Yeah, okay.
And just like you might read someone's body language for clues about their intentions.
Yeah.
Traders analyze these candlestick shapes to anticipate, where that price might go next.
Oh, okay.
So certain patterns hint that, price is likely to climb higher,
Okay.
which is a buy signal.
Yeah.
Or, it might suggest that the price is headed down, which is a sell signal.
So the pickup line is playing on that then.
Exactly.
The right signals mean that there's a pattern that suggests it's a good time to make a trade and potentially a profitable one.
Right.
That's kind of clever, actually, how it ties those two ideas together.
Yeah, what makes it work is it uses this analogy that we can all relate to, reading signals in social situations.
Right.
And then it applies it to this, this financial market.
Right.
And that unexpected connection, it might actually make it easier to remember what candlestick patterns are all about.
Yeah, it reminds me of those memory techniques like mnemonics.
Yeah.
Where you create like silly rhymes or images to remember facts.
Right.
Maybe these cheesy pickup lines can be like mnemonics for Forex.
Yeah, I think you're onto something there,
Yeah.
Because our brains tend to, latch onto things that are unusual or humorous or emotionally charged.
Yeah.
And if you can connect, a complex concept like candlestick patterns to something that's funny and memorable, like a pickup line, it's more likely to stick.
It's going to stick. So, I thought it was really interesting. The source material actually suggested using Forex pickup lines as like a regular segment.
Oh, wow.
On a podcast.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
You know what? I think it has potential because the world of finance can be so intimidating to so many people, right?
Yeah. Yeah. It's like a whole nother language.
It's a lot of jargon. It's complex ideas.
Right.
And humor can really break down those barriers and make it more approachable and even fun to learn.
Yeah, absolutely. So like we've got this one pickup line that seems to work. Are you a candlestick pattern? Because you're giving me all the right signals.
Right.
So what other Forex concepts could we try to turn into cheesy but memorable phrases?
Ooh, let's see.
Like, imagine something like, are you a moving average because I just want to follow your trend?
Ooh, I like that one.
Or like, you must be a Fibonacci retracement level.
Okay.
Because you're the golden ratio of perfection.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
I'm starting to see how this could be fun.
Yeah.
This could be a really fun way to engage people.
And you know what? It could be a great way to make learning more collaborative, too.
Oh, yeah. Awesome.
Like, imagine you invite listeners to submit their own Forex pickup lines.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
That would be so fun.
It would turn learning into this playful challenge.
Yeah.
Create a sense of community around it.
Absolutely.
It's all about finding ways to make learning active and enjoyable.
Right.
Rather than just this passive absorption of information.
Yeah. So to bring this all back to you, our listener, think about this.
Okay.
Could this approach be used for other complex topics that you're trying to learn?
Oh, interesting.
What if you try to create your own pickup lines for historical events,
Okay.
scientific concepts, or even philosophical ideas?
Hmm.
It just might make the learning process a whole lot more fun and memorable.
I love it.
All right, until next time, happy trading, everyone.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.